Everyone, today I'm going to tell you about an oppressed wolf, which is also Yousuf's wolf. But in reality, this wolf never ate Yousuf A.S. He didn't even come close to the Prophet. Yousuf A.S. had many brothers, but they were jealous of him. So they planned to kill Yousuf A.S., but they decided to throw him in a well, and they will capture a wolf and tell their father that that wolf will ate him. So their plan was into action. They got Yousuf A.S. They threw him in a well. They captured a wolf, and they told their father that this wolf ate Yousuf A.S. To prove that they were telling the truth, they got one of Yousuf A.S.'s shirt. They killed the sheep. They put false blood on the shirt. They killed a sheep. They took its blood and put it on the wolf's mouth, and they saw it to Yacoub A.S, to his father. Yacoub A.S. once known that he did not want Yousuf A.S. to be with his brothers because he thought a wolf would eat him. But this time, he got to the wolf. He wanted the wolf to come closer and closer and closer, and he touched his head and cried a lot. He realized that Allah made his fear away from the wolf. Yacoub A.S. realized, how could the wolf eat his son while his shirt remains unharmed? Then he realized he put forth his fear of wolves over the care of Allah's son. Then he patted the wolf and set him free. I hope you liked my story of Yousuf's wolf. Bye. And one more thing, we should always ask protection from Allah, whether it's from if you're being threatened, ask protection from Allah. Anything that's bad, ask protection from Allah. We should always count on Allah for getting through our fears.